Now we are starting question number 11 for this section 3 of this set 1 paper. These are the lines K, L, and M. They intersect at the points if x plus u, x plus y is equal to u plus w. Question number 11. X plus y is equal to u plus w. And these are the lines where these angles are mentioned as x, y, z, and u, v, w, w, u, and t. Then, which of the following is true there? So first we are going to simplify it. We know that this angle is equal to this angle because they are vertical opposite angles. So y is equal to u is one information. Then this z is equal to this w. This is the second information. And the third, this t is equal to x. So these are the informations given from this vertical opposite angles. These are the reasons for this portion there. Now you have to say there that x plus y is equal to u plus w there. Since it is x as it is, but y is basically equal to u. So you can write it there, x plus u is equal to u plus w. So u and u cancel out. So x is equal to w, but w is equal to z. So this is one information you are getting there. The other information we can get it from this part. If we replace y as this, but x value is there. X value is there equal to t plus y is equal to u, that is equal to y plus w is equal to z. So this y and y cancel. So t is equal to z. Here x is equal to y is equal to z. So now we have to look at the answers there. X is equal to z. The first property is true there. Then y is equal to w. Y is equal to w is not there. And then z is equal to t. So it means the first and the third properties are true there. So this first property is true there, and this third property is true there. Now we have to look at the answers for that part. First part, x is the, y is this. A option is first and second only. First and third only, that is first and the third only, that is the B part. So B part is the right choice of this question there. Third part is C is second and third, not there one, no. So only B choice is there for this solution. Then question number 12. In the quadratic equation, above A is a non-zero constant. The graph of this equation in the xy plane is a parabola with the vertex as C and D there. Which of the following is equivalent to the value of D there? So it is x, y is equal to A into x minus 2 into x plus 4. And the vertex there is C and D shown there. Which of this number is equivalent to the value of D? Now we know that the vertex is CD. Since it is a parabola, so when you put x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2, and when you put x plus 4 equal to 0, it is minus 4 there. So the vertex is the average of these two, which is C value, that is 2 minus 4 over 2, that is equal to minus 2 over 2, and that is equal to minus 1. So C value is equal to minus 1, and the D value is we have to calculate. Since it has the vertex D there, so you can put into that value D value is equal to A into x minus 2. X value is equal to minus 1 plus minus 2 into minus 1 plus 4. So D value is equal to A into minus 3 into 3. That thing is equal to minus 9A. So D value is equal to minus 9A. And that is the answer of this part is A there. So question number 12 is part A there. Question number 30. The equation 2x square plus 25x minus 47 divided by ay minus ax minus 2 is equivalent to minus 8x minus 3 minus 53 over ax minus 2, where ax minus 2 should not be equal to 0, or x should not be equal to 2 by a in this equation there. So we are going to get the value of a there. So what we can do it, we can use, it is basically divisor over dividend over divisor is equal to quotient plus remainder over divisor. So now we can simplify it. 2x square plus 25x minus 47 over ax minus 2 is equivalent to ax minus 2 as it is minus 8x minus 3 into ax minus 2 minus 53. So this and this value they are going to cancel out. So 2x square plus 23x minus 47 should be equivalent to, if you multiply this, minus 8ax square plus a to the 16 x minus 3ax plus 6 minus 53. So this is 2x square plus 23x minus 47, sorry, minus 25x. Minus 47 is equal to minus 8ax square plus 16x minus 3ax plus 16 minus 3a into x plus 6 minus 53. So here x square coefficient is 2, which is equal to x square coefficient is minus 8a. So a is equal to 2 by minus 8, that is equal to minus 1 by 4. So value of a there is minus 1 by 4. And now we have to look at the answers there. So it is 24x square. So 24 is equal to minus 8a, or a is equal to minus 3. So a is equal to minus 3 is the choice B there. So B is the right choice of this question there. Now you can start the next. Fourteen. What are the solutions of 3x square plus 12x plus 6 is equal to 0? It is divided by 3 on both sides, x square plus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. Then use the quadratic formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root over 2a, where this is the value of a there, this is the value of b there, and this is the value of c there. So it should be equal to minus 4 plus minus 16 minus 4 2s are 8 square root divided by 2, or that thing is equal to minus 4 plus minus is 8 square root over 2, which is equal to minus 4 plus minus 2 root 2 over 2, or that thing is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2. So this is the answer of minus 2 plus minus square root of 2. That is the answer of this part A there. So A choice is the right choice of this. Then question number 15. C is equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32. This is the Fahrenheit and this is the Celsius in temperature there. The measurement, the equation shows how a temperature F degree in Fahrenheit related to a temperature measured in degrees Celsius. Based on this equation, which of the following must be true? Part 1. A temperature is increased of 1 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to 5 over 9 degrees in Celsius there. The increase in the temperature of 5 over 9 degrees there. Because from this equation we know that it is true because 1 degree in Fahrenheit is equivalent to the temperature increase of 5 over 9 of this. So part 1 is true there. Now the second part, if we change it, then F minus 32 is equal to 9 over 5C and F is equal to 9 over 5C plus 32. So second is a temperature increase in degrees Celsius is equivalent to a temperature increase in 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Since we know that 1.8 degrees is basically equal to 9 over 5, and this is 2 there. So there's, according to this relationship, if we make F as a subject, it should be equal to 9 over 5C plus 32. So part 2 is correct there because a temperature increase in degrees Celsius is equivalent to the temperature increase of 1.8 degrees in the Fahrenheit of that. And third part, a temperature increase of 5 over 9 degrees Fahrenheit is equivalent to a temperature of 1 degree Celsius. But this is not correct because it should be equal to 9 over 5 degrees for that. So 1 is true and 2 is true there. So here we have to look at the options. Only 1, A is not true, B is not, only B is not true, only C is even not true there, third, and D is 1 and 2 only. So that is, D part is true there because 1 and 2 are the true informations for this to satisfy this equation there. So 1 and 2. So that is option D there. Now they are asking the grid questions from 16 to 20 of this, where calculator is even not allowed, but you have to look at that equations there. Question number 16. X cubed into x square minus 5 is equal to minus 4x. If x is greater than 0, what are the possible values of this equation above? They said that x is greater than 0, it is given. So first we will shift all this towards this side. If we multiply this x 5 minus 5x cube, and this minus will become plus 4x is equal to 0. X is common, x square, x4 minus 5x square plus 4 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. If this one is p square, p value, then this value is p square. So we can write this thing as p square minus 5p plus 4, which is p minus 1 into p minus 4. So we can substitute again back to that position. So x into x square minus 1, x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, but x is not. So x square minus 1 equal to 0. So x square is equal to 1. So x is equal to plus minus 1. And x square minus 4 equal to 0. So x square is equal to 4, or x is equal to plus minus 2. So the values of x which is positive or greater than 0 is there only for x value 2 and 1 there. So 1 and 2 are the values for this x which is there. But for the sole equation, when x is greater than 0 to that part there. Question number 17 now. 7 over 9x 7 over 9x minus 4 over 9x is equivalent to 1 over 4 plus 5 over 12. So you can take 9 as LCM here. It should be equal to 7x minus 4x. That is equal to 12 is the LCM here. It should be 3 plus 5. So it is 7x minus 4. 3x over 9 is equal to 8 over 12. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 is 9 are. So x over 3 is equal to 2 by 3, or x is equal to 2 value to that. Question number 18 now. This is the graph shown to the this is y there. This is z there. This is x there. These two lines are equal. These two lines are equal. And they mentioned in the question there two isosceles triangles are there. If 180 minus z is equal to 2y, it is given. Y is equal to 75. That is given because degree is mentioned there, so we will not mention the answer there. What is the value of x? So you are going to find out the value of x there. Now, from this equation, if it is z, then this angle is k, this angle is k there. If this angle is, these two lines are equal, so this angle is t, then this angle is also t there. So first of all, we put this value there, where y is equal to 75. So 180 minus z is equal to 2 into 75. 180 minus z is equal to 130, 50, or z is equal to 180 minus 150, that is equal to 30 there. So if this thing is equal to 30, then we know from this equation that x plus k is equal to 180 degree, because these two are lying on a straight line there. But k value is equal to k plus z plus k is also equal to 180. So 2k is equal to 180 minus z, or k value is equal to 180 minus z over 2. So z is basically equal to 30. So k value is equal to 180 minus 30 over 2, that is 150 over 2, that is equal to 75. But we will need the value of x there. So x value is equal to 180 minus 75. So that should be equal to 105. So this is the answer for this question number 18 there. Question number 19. At lunch stand, each hamburger has 50 more calories than the each or order of the fries. So let's say X, H is going to denote one thing and F is going to denote other thing. Hamburger, let's say H is equal to 50 more. Then more means what? Plus. And what is the other thing there? Is fries. So it is equal to H plus F. This is one equation. If two hamburgers, that is what? Twice of H. And means plus three orders of fries plus 3F. Have a total of 1700. How many calories does hamburger have? So we are going to calculate the value of H there. Since H is equal to 50 plus F, so 2 into 50 plus F plus 3F, that is equal to 1700. So it is 100 plus 2F plus 3F is equal to 1700. 5F is equal to 1600, or F is equal to 320. But they are asking for the hamburgers there. So it is 320 plus 50. That answer is 370 calories there. Even you can directly make H as it is and F, you can convert it in the form of F and you can get the values of that values there. Question number 20 now. In the triangle ABC, the measurement of angle B is 90, BC is 16, and AC is 20. So we are going to make a triangle which is having a right angle triangle there. So it is here B angle is shown there of 90 degree and the rest is ABC, where BC is 16 and AC is 20. The other triangle there is DEF is similar to this triangle ABC, which have the vertex D, E, and F corresponding to the A, B, C respectively on each sides of this. So since that is similar to that, so this is of 90 degree. A is corresponding to D, E is corresponding to B and rest is 90, so it is also similar. So triangle ABC is similar to the triangle DEF. So when they are similar, then they have a constant ratio between these two. And each side of DEF is 1/3 of the length of these corresponding sides of this triangle ABC. So it is 1/3. It means if it is 1, so first we will calculate this value there, that the ratio between is equal to constant K, and that K value is equal to 1/3. So let's say it is X, and we can calculate it like this: X square plus 16 square is equal to 20 square, or X square is equal to 400 minus 256, that is equal to 144, or X is equal to 12 there. So that value is 12 we have calculated. If it is 12, then this will be equal to 36. If it is 20, it should be equal to 60. And if it is equal to 16, then it should be equal to 48. Now, we are going to calculate the value of, what is the value of the sine of f. So sine of f is basically equal to, so if this angle is going to be calculated, this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse, so that is 36/60. That thing is equal to 3/5. So sine of f value is equal to 3/5 of this question there. So these are the 20 questions we have solved for this SAT 1 for section 3. Now we will start the section 4 of this in the next videos. I hope you have understood all these.